Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for our second video, we decided to do the Would You Rather challenge while doing makeup. It made sense. And it seems like something fun to do. So we were originally going to do the What's in My Mouth challenge, but she's vegan.
I don't trust her.
So, so it was like impossible to... We're just like, you know what, F it. We're going to do something else. And yeah, so I think this will be a fun challenge to do. So if you would like to see this, then keep on watching. And we are also drinking margaritas, so.
Yeah.
They're not that good, but it's okay. So do you want to start off with the first question or should I?
You start.
Some of these questions are ridiculous. Okay, so first question. Would you rather eat only roadkill for the rest of your life or have everyone else in the world sound like Gilbert Gottfried?
Oh my god. I think I'd rather eat roadkill.
I mean, I guess if you can cook it and do whatever
they
you
have roadkill cooking contests and stuff. I saw it on on the food channel.
I guess if you could do that, then I would rather eat roadkill.
Yeah, I would rather eat roadkill. His voice is outrageously annoying.
Yeah, it is.
Would you rather win $50,000 or let your best friend win $500,000?
Would she know I let her win it?
Yeah.
Okay, so if my best friend knew I was gonna win, or I was gonna let her win, then I'm assuming she would be like, girl, here's a little bit for you, you know?
Yeah. I'm trusting. I would do that.
So yeah, that's my answer. What's your answer?
Yeah, I would definitely let my best friend
Yeah, me too.
win.
Would you rather always have to say everything on your mind or never be able to speak again? That's easy.
I already say everything
That's
on
easy.
my
I was
mind.
gonna say, me too. Everything on my mind.
Yeah.
I do that too. Would you rather eat a bowl of vomit or lick a hobo's foot? Lick a hobo's foot.
I would much rather lick a hobo's
Me
foot.
too.
You don't know that hobo may have showered that day. They're flying J's.
I don't know what that means.
Would you rather use eye drops made of vinegar or toilet paper made from sandpaper?
Ooh. Ooh. Neither sound pleasant. Maybe toilet paper that... Sandpaper? Because, I mean, if you mess up your eyes...
See, yeah.
Then, but nobody would know if your butthole was out of commission.
I'd rather wipe my butt with sandpaper.
Okay. Would you rather go through life with a perpetual cold sore on your mouth or go through life with a booger hanging out of your nose?
God.
That's hard.
Actually, I think a cold sore. You can cover that shit with makeup.
I get what? Yeah, I'd probably. Yeah, cold sore. Good point.
Would you rather have a 10-inch long belly button that swayed to music or.
Or what?
Would you rather have a 10-inch long belly button that swayed to music or have accordions for legs?
A 10-inch long belly button that what?
Swayed to music!
Sway. Sway. Why is she laughing so hard at that?
Swayed to music! Oh my god, it's the dumbest thing I've ever heard! Who came up with that? Holy
Swayed?
Yeah!
A 10-inch long, but like that stuck out? Like this?
No, I think it hangs like a ding-ding.
Or have legs for an accordion.
Accordions for
Accordion for
legs.
That's so stupid.
I know! Answer it.
The belly button. I could wrap it around me.
Yeah.
And hide it with big sweatshirts.
That's true. You can't hide accordion legs.
Would you rather have vaginas for ears or have penises for fingers?
Oh, that's hard. I mean, can I still hear?
Yeah, I mean,
does
it's
that mean
open.
people have to have sex with my ears?
That's a good point.
Yeah, I mean, that's weird having someone hump your head.
I
I could wear gloves. Well, I could also wear earmuffs, but then I wouldn't be able to hear anything. I think I'd rather have penises for fingers.
think I would too.
Yeah.
Would your power be pee on people?
Would you rather have hair nowhere on your body and be a naked mole rat? Or would you rather be very hairy all over and not be able to shave?
I'd rather be completely bald. I could.
Yeah, you could,
I could wear a wig. I could draw on eyebrows.
Exactly. I guess that's the wrong.
If I don't have to shave my legs,
Oh man,
that'd be
sounds
glorious.
Like a dream.
Would you rather know the date of your death or the cause of your death?
Ooh, the cause. Because at least I could avoid that thing. You know, like maybe. And you know, does that cause have to happen at a certain time? Maybe if I avoided it until.
Well, no, I think no matter what, that date's gonna happen, right? Oh God. I think if you knew what caused your death, you would be scared of it the rest of your life.
Yeah, and then
And then you would-
could live it up until that.
Yeah, so if you did know the date,
Yeah,
you could at least.
that's true.
So I think, yeah, that would be my answer.
Yeah, like my Hogwarts jammies. You like that? I'm a Gryffindor.
I've never seen one of those movies.
Where dwell the brave of heart. Daring nerve and chivalry set Gryffindors apart.
I have no idea. Would you rather have to announce to everyone around you whenever you have to fart or pee your pants daily?
I would pee my pants daily.
Okay.
I hate buttholes and everything to do with them.
It's true. Like, you can't even talk about poop.
Yeah, that, ew. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Would you rather wear a push-up bra all day long every day or stiletto heels all day long every day?
A push-up bra.
Yeah.
I had the flattest feet on the planet. Like, I could not. No.
I used to wear my bras to bed.
Plus, I need help.
Yeah, I used to wear my bras to bed.
What?
Got a lot of makeup on.
Thank you. Would you, I think I already know this answer. Would you rather end the life of a single human being or 100 cute baby animals? A single human being, I would assume, for you.
There are many human beings that I would end the life of. Yeah, like in movies and stuff, when I'm watching a movie and an animal dies, like, I don't even want
Cry.
to watch that movie anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Like in Jaws, I was like, yeah, Jaws, eat the people. And then when I went to go eat the dog, I was like, I'm done. I'm not watching this movie ever again. Would you rather get a Would you rather get a rash? Would you rather get a rash from a poor bikini wax job or have an entire eyebrow accidentally waxed off?
The bikini.
You would rather get a rash?
Yeah.
I would rather get my eyebrow waxed off. Would you rather have your gynecologist use a speculum that's too large
Oh my God.
or a speculum that's too cold?
Too cold.
Too cold.
Yeah.
It's gonna warm up. In high school, they had like those embarrassing stories in the teen magazines or Cosmo or whatever. I forgot what it was. And one girl's story was that her doctor put in a speculum and her hoo-hoo like was not having it, and it went like that, and the speculum flung out and hit her doctor.
Ew.
Yeah,
That's gross.
that happened.
So I found some really effed up ones. Would you rather eat chocolate pudding that tastes like shit or shit that tastes like chocolate pudding? Which one? Chocolate pudding.
I would rather eat the chocolate pudding.
Would you rather sleep with the hottest guy who was freshly dead or the ugliest, smelliest guy still alive and kicking?
Necrophilia. It's a controversial topic, but I think
boy.
I'd take a freshly dead Leonardo DiCaprio.
Who thinks of that?
Who thinks of these questions in general? These are revolting. Would you rather pee broken glass or number 2 razor blades?
I think I'd rather razor blades.
I'd rather pee glass.
Oh, no. Oh, my Jesus.
Oh.
I can answer this one. Would you rather have constipation or explosive diarrhea?
Constipation.
Explosive diarrhea. Being constipated sucks.
Would you rather wear someone else's dirty underwear or use someone else's toothbrush? Can we pick the person? I would use someone else's toothbrush.
Yeah, there's no way I could wear. There's no way.
Yeah.
I'm disgusted. Like,
people's genitals gross me out.
Which movie would you rather have happen to you? Final Destination or Saw? Saw. Because you have a chance of making it, right? I mean, Final Destination.
They all die, right?
Death's coming after you. I mean, you're gonna die, right? Unless I think you saw. I forgot. It's been forever since I saw that movie. But
yeah, I think you have a chance to get out with your life.
It's messed up, but yeah, you would have a chance. Thank you.
Yeah. Have you ever seen the College Humor videos of it's like living with Saw?
No.
Oh my god, they're so funny.
I'm obsessed with Saw though, man.
It's like he's a little mini Saw guy, and it's living with him as a roommate, and he's always like, do you want your car keys? You have to walk over the broken glass in order to get your car keys.
Would you rather find your true love or win the lottery? Find my true love.
Rather win the lottery.
Well, we could work together.
Okay.
By doing that. Would you rather give up your favorite foods forever or give up sex? Give up sex.
Dude. I think food.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, I love food. I mean, I love sex, but I love food. You ever do this when you have...
No, I don't ever do that. Period.
When you have powder in there instead of putting your finger in there?
I don't use that much powder.
Oh, well, if you got powder in your nose, you don't want to put your finger in your nose, take a Q-tip. Or if you got a boog up there.
Would you rather be stranded on an island with someone you hate or alone?
Probably someone I hate, because then you would still have somebody be able to work with you to, like, get off, because honestly, I don't think I'm smart enough to get off the damn island by myself.
I'd rather be stranded with someone I hate, so that I would have food.
But you're vegan. You couldn't eat a person?
If I was stranded on an island, I'd be the first thing that wiggled my way.
Alright, so this is the end of this video. I thought it was fun, but a lot of those questions were...
A lot of them are really
outrageous
gross.
And disgusting. Like, I feel like if we would have answered those questions, like, people would judge us big time. Like, it would be really weird.
It was really gross.
It was really
so we had to, like...
out there.
We had to not say some of it.
So if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I really appreciate it. She goes back to Florida tomorrow. Thanks for doing 2 videos on my channel.
Sure.
We had fun. I hope you guys liked it. And the next time she comes in town, you already know we're filming. So I'll let you guys know, and you can leave requests again on my Instagram, on my YouTube, on my Snapchat, whatever you want. But we'll definitely record again, and I will see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.